guys, I don't know why I'm doing this, but a lot of people have not requested this, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to give my opinion kind of on what's going on in Florida and what I think the alligators are going from, because everyone's like, oh, this is crazy, alligators are taking over Florida. Disneyland, if you go to Inside Edition, you'll find a video. It's where employees poking an alligator with a stick 2 feet from, it's about that big of a canal from Splash Mountain, and they still have people riding it. And I saw that video and I was so mad. Where they are coming from is from River Country, which is a abandoned water park run by Disney. Over there, that's not taken down. You can watch another Inside Edition where you see this, and that's where they're coming from. And a canal leads right to the lagoon where the little boy was struck. And and they just started putting signs up, and oh my god, it's a mess down there. And if you live in Florida and you're going to Disney World, please stop feeding the alligators. They're going to become more to humans, where they call them nuisance, because what happens was once they start getting food from humans, they're like, oh, this human's going to give me food, and then they're going to mistake humans for food. So yeah, if you guys want to see those videos, Inside Edition, look up employee fights off alligator on Splash Mountain, and pictures of River Country on YouTube.